In Google Chat, you have direct access to generate out meeting links and to join in meeting links as well. That is Google Meet links. So over here, you can see Meet is an area right here which you can expand. And if you want to generate out a meeting link so that you can share with others, you can simply click on New Meeting right here. And a meeting link is generated, so you can send this invite out to others, you can copy this and so forth right here. What you can also do is you can use these things called meeting codes right here. So if someone were to send you that code, you can click on join a meeting right here, paste that code out right here. And the good thing is you don't actually need to type in the dashes as well. So you can simply type in the code and hit join, and it opens up the Google Meet with that particular code directly, as you can see right here. So that is how you can access out the new meeting option and use the join meeting option directly from Google Chat to save some time while you're working. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.